Shipping expert specializing in building and scaling successful eBay stores. As you can see here, I recently built and managed an eBay dropshipping store that achieved $30,000 in sales within just 30 days. This impressive result was driven by a strategic approach to product selection, listing optimization, and effective marketing strategies. My expertise goes beyond just sales figures. Here, you can see the strong account performance, with positive feedback and metrics indicating a healthy, growing store. I leverage in-depth market research and data analysis to identify profitable niches and high-demand products. I then optimize listings with compelling descriptions, high-quality images, and competitive pricing. The success of this store is a testament to my ability to translate dropshipping strategies into real, measurable results. Are you looking to launch or grow your own eBay dropshipping business? I can help you achieve similar results.